Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, I want to talk to you about test transactions, which are a way of ensuring when you do send cryptocurrency from your wallet that everything goes as it should. Remember that crypto transfers are one time and one way. Now, if you're careful, it's pretty hard to mess up a transfer, but mistakes can happen. So sending a test transaction is a good way to make sure that if you do make a mistake, it doesn't cost you a lot of money. Basically, as the name suggests, before you send a crypto transfer, you first send an initial transfer of just $1 or $2 to the recipient's address. If this initial transaction is received without any issues, then you can go ahead and send the rest of the main transaction. Even after many years in crypto, I still routinely send test transactions. I strongly recommend you pick up this habit, and trust me, one day you'll be glad you did. And just as a quick example to show you that I'm practicing what I preach, as you can see here, with this one transaction on the 23rd of January, I sent 12 one tokens before I sent my main transfer of 10,000 tokens. I actually sent 2 test transactions. I obviously wasn't paying attention to what I was doing that day. And back here on the 4th of January, we have a transfer of 526 phantom tokens. But if we just look on the next page quickly, you'll see that I sent a test transfer of 5 tokens. I can't stress enough what a good habit it is to get into, to send test transactions before you send the bulk of your crypto transfer. Let's pop over MetaMask. Here I am in my main Ethereum account. And let's go through a sample transfer. I've just gone into account number 2. I've copied my wallet address. I'm going to account number 1. Let's pretend I'm going to send some tokens to myself. Okay, one thing we really want to ensure that we're doing at this point is sending our transfer to the correct address. And we do that by making sure that we have a note of the address we want to send to. And then the easiest thing to do is to compare the first 4 or 5 digits and the last 4 or 5 digits of the address we wish to send to, the first 4 or 5 digits and the last 4 or 5 digits of the address that we've pasted into our wallet. Now, why would we need to double check these are the same, you may ask? Because obviously we've copied and pasted them ourselves. There is a nasty little piece of malware circulating cryptocurrency circles, which, if it infects your computer, will recognize when you copy a cryptocurrency address and will change it in your clipboard for a cryptocurrency address of the wallet of the scammers. So you will copy a wallet address, and then when you go to paste it and commence your own crypto transfer, you're actually sending your cryptocurrency to the scammer. So that's why it's good practice to always double check the address that you paste into your wallet is the one you actually want to send cryptocurrency to. And I talk about this more in the upcoming lessons on scams. So that's what we want to check. The other thing we want to check is our gas prices. Here's our estimated fees. If I was to go ahead with this transaction, which I'm not going to, because I'm not actually sending anything, then they reckon this transaction is going to cost me $1.61. Which means I need to have another $1.61 in ETH in my wallet to commence this transaction. In fact, if I didn't have that, the wallet wouldn't let me send this anyway. So let's review. Personally, I almost always send a test transfer because remember, crypto transfers are one time and one way. If you make a mistake, you're never going to get this crypto back again. Okay, well, I hope that was straightforward. As usual, if anything is unclear, then please rewatch this video or reach out to me with any questions you may have, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. But for now, this is the end of this lesson. When you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson. But until then, thank you very much for your time.